Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're gonna conclude our lesson of QAAIDA NUURANIIYYA with lesson number 17, and on this lesson we're gonna talk about al-Huruuful Muqatta'at. Al-Huruuful al-Muqatta'at. Huruuful Muqatta'at are those letters which start at the beginning of the chapters of the Quran, of the surahs. Okay, so these letters, there are two ways of reading them. When they are having the sign of mad al-lazim, okay, you elongate its recitation to 6 harakat, and when it doesn't have the sign of mad, the long mad, we recite it by using 2 harakat. So bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Like over here we're gonna say alif, 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 lam, mim. But this one we're gonna say taha, 2 harakats, taha. Okay, for this one it's gonna be alif lam mim sad, alif lam ra, alif lam mim ra, ya ain sad, taha, tasin mim, tasin mim, tasin, yasin, sad, hamim, hamim, ain, sin, qaf, qaf, noon. So this is it, lesson number 17, Huruuful Muqatta'at. So they happen at the beginning of the chapters of the Quran, beginning of the surahs. So as I said, when they're having a long mad letter, you recite it by 6 harakat. When it just happens the letter without any sign at the beginning of the surah, then we use 2 harakat. MashaAllah, ahsantum, fajazakumullahu khairan wa ba'da al-khair wa jannatu firdaus inshallah. This is the conclusion of our book QAAIDA NUURANIIYYA, and this is Dhikri Only Academy. We were very delighted to have you in the session. Please don't forget to subscribe in our page and to share this with many others, because today we're here in this world, but tomorrow we're not gonna be in this world. If you can't do great things, try to do small things in a great way. So to give a summary of all the lessons we have read of the Ahkam al-Tajweed, Khulasatu Ahkam al-Tajweed rules, the summary of the Tajweed rules. So in Arabic, as we said, we have 29 letters, including alif as a sounding letter. If we exclude alif as a sounding letters, we say you have 28 letters of Arabic. So out of those 29 letters, we have 8 letters which are called heavy letters, which are called Huruuful Mufakhama, Huruuful Mukhaffama, which we remember them by saying khud, dhaq, dhaghatin, qitta, qid. Okay, so this is kha, we have sad, we have lod, we have ghain, we have ta, we have qaf, we have dha. So these are the heavy letters: kha, sad, lod, ghain, ta, qaf, and dha. These letters, you make sure you put your mouse, we put like a vacuum. Kho, sad, lod, ghain, ta, qaf, dha. So these are heavy letters. Okay. Also, in reading, we are having like letters. When reading with one haraka, like this one, we say ba, b, bo. This we read it by one haraka. When it's like this, having an alif sukun or ya sukun or waw sukun, we say ba, b, bo. Okay. When we are adding a hamza next to this one, we say ba, b, bo. That's 4 harakats, and it changes to 6 harakat like this. When it's like this, normally it happens to have it depends whether there is a sign of the long mad later like that. So this is it. And then also we're moving to the bouncing letters. Bouncing letters are called Huruuful qalqala. That is Qutubu Jadde. We have Qaf, we have Ta, we have Ba, we have Jim, we have Dal. These are Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab, ma aghna anhu maluhu wa ma kasab, sayasla naran dhata lahab. Like that. We also have Huruuful Ghunna Mushaddadatain. Ahkamu mim wa noon mushaddadatain. This is noon and mim. When they're having a shadda, we put ghunna in them. Inna, like that. Also, we have the sukun looking at the next letters. When we are having like this, when you're having a noon with the sign of sukun like this, and when we are having the lines of tanween, when they are equal, and when the dhammatain happens like this is called idhar. Okay, idhar, this means showing, and it happens huruful idhar. It happens in this letter hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, and kha. And also we have the letters of idgham. Letters of idgham are remembered by the letters yarmaluna, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, and nun. Yarmaluna, merging. We take one letter, we put it into the other letter when we recite like that. And then we have the letters of hiding. Letters of hiding will be the remaining of the other letters. Baqi hurfu. Okay, these are called Huruuful ikhfa. Huruuful ikhfa. And also we have the ahkamu Huruuful iqlab. This is taking the mim into a noon, then we change it. Okay, so it's like a mim ba'di, like that. So those are the ahkam of noon sakina. Lastly, the ahkam of mim sukun. We look at the next letter, and it will be idgham, whether it is a mim when the following letter is also is mim, so it becomes mim, mimma, mimma. So like that, it's idgham. And then we show with the gunna when it is ikhfa, when it happens with ba, and the remaining will be idhar when it is with mim. This is all, and this is the last page of our book. I was very delighted to have this journey with you guys. Jazakumullahu khairan wa ba'd al khair wa jannatul firdaus inshallah. Don't forget to make duas for hidayah to all the ummah.